Hi friends, welcome to my channel Falcon Gigs. In today's video, we'll discuss the nested if statement in Java. So what is a nested if? A nested if is when we use an if statement. This allows us to check multiple conditions where one condition is dependent on the other. When do we use nested if? Generally, we use a nested if when we want to validate two different conditions and need the second condition to be checked only if the first one is true. So this is especially useful when we want to display different messages or want to perform different actions based on each condition. So I'll show you with an example. The example here I'm taking is if age is greater than or equal to 18 and the gender is equal to female, then only the persons belonging to this age group 18 and female, then they are eligible for the policy. Int age here I'm taking as 30 years, and I'll take the gender as female. Then I'll write the if condition. So the very first condition that I'll check is if age is greater than or equal to 18 years, then only uh, further the second condition we need to check the second condition. I'll write the else condition here. So I'll print here something. So I'll print you are not eligible for the policy due to age less than 18 years. Okay. Okay. Inside the if, I'll check another condition here. So what is my condition? Gender. Gender dot equals ignore case. So I'm checking with condition female. Okay. If it's equals to female, then the person is eligible for the policy. So what I can say, I'll print you are eligible for the policy. Okay. If gender is not equals to female, then I want to print you are not eligible. You are, or I'll say this only females are eligible for the policy. Okay, let's check our condition. I'm executing it. So the two conditions are satisfied here. So age is greater than or equal to 18 and the gender is female. So that's a reason the person is eligible for the policy. Let's say what I'll do is I'll make it as 17 years. Okay, and I'll execute. Now I should get the error message saying that you are not eligible for the policy due to the age less than 18 years. So which is correct. Now what I'll do is I'll make it as 18 age, but I'll change the gender and I'll make gender as male, and then I'll execute it. See, only females are eligible for the policy, though the age is matching here with our condition, but the second condition where it says the gender equals to female, then only you are eligible for policy. So here the second condition is not satisfied, so the reason it has went to else block and it has executed it. So thanks for watching.